We here. It's day 4. All right. This is Set Fire to the Rain. All of these have been bangers. All right. I've downloaded each one. I ain't gonna lie. If y'all hear me singing in your local hotel, cause I got my JBL blasting, I apologize. But this is Set Fire to the Rain for day number 4. Let's get it.
So when the metal hit his mug, he just sunk in place. 100K holla, chillin' Bahamas. Come home to your crib and throw in your mama.
What is good, HollaSquad? We are the Duluth Squad on the YouTube platform. This is day we're back with another reaction. And we have day 4 of a week of Adele. And this is Set Fire to the Rain. All right. Now, unlike the previous 2 days, I don't know nothing about this song. All right? I don't think I've heard it like in the grocery store, the chorus or anything. And I don't know the beats. I don't know nothing about this. Okay. So this is a pure from scratch reaction. All right. Just like day 1. And day 1, I ain't gonna lie, it might be one of my favorites. Actually, all 3 days have been my favorite song. All right. All of them have been 10.1 out of 10. I don't know how she did it, but she did. But before we hop into this one, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, do all of that great stuff. And let's get it.
I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over, until you kissed my lips, and you saved me. My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak.
Adele is my spirit animal, bro. What? Oh my.
But I set fire to the rain. Watch it pour as I touched your face. When it burned, well, I cried 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. Your name. When I lay with you, I could stay there. Close my eyes, feel you heat forever. You and me together, nothing gets better. 'Cause there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you'd say, they were never true. And the games you'd play, you would always win, always win. But I set fire to the rain. Watched it pour as I touched your face. When it burned, well, I cried 'cause I heard it screaming out your name.
So, well, it burned while I cried because I heard it screaming your name. So basically, you were the reason for the tears. You caught me when I was at my lowest, and you stood on top of me, right? You used me as leverage to continue to go up. Man, come on, bro. Listen. I've been here, all right? Listen.
Your name. I set fire to the rain and knocked the rust into the flames.
Fire.
When it fell, something died 'cause I knew that was the last time. Sometimes I wake up by the door. That heart you gone must be waiting for you. Even now when we're already over, I can't help myself from looking for you. I set fire to the rain. Watched it pour as I touched your face. When it burned, well, I cried 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. Your name.
The metaphors in this song are immaculate. Oh my, bro. I'm glad this wasn't out when I was in high school. Maybe it was, all right? I don't know if it was. It may have been. I didn't know about it. If I would have heard this headphones on after a cold-blooded breakup, because listen, you can ask any ex, all right? We not related because of them. It ain't because of me. Golden boyfriend. All of them would be back if they could be. But listen, pure-hearted man right here. If I would have been walking through the hallway listening to this, oh my God. Nobody would have been able to tell me nothing, boy. Listen. And every time they hit me up trying to get back, I would have been like, nah, cuz. I said fire to the rain. Come on now. I would have been singing all of it. Fire. Bro, listen. Set fire to the rain. I wish I would have heard this a long time ago, because I probably would have had the courage to initiate breakups a lot sooner than when they actually happened. All right, because most of my relationships ended in mutual separation. All right, and the only reason they ended like that is because I really wanted to, go, but I tried. I was trying. All right, I ain't set fire to the rain. My rain wasn't fire. Okay, and then it got to the point where I just stopped being the good boyfriend. Now, I wasn't a bad boyfriend. I just stopped doing the things that made me an elite boyfriend. Because, look, I'm not getting out of this. What I'm putting in, it's not fair. To the point where they're like, hey, yo, all that stuff you used to do, my guy, why you ain't doing that no more? And I'm like, bro, because you not doing enough, bro. Like, this is supposed to be mutual. We're supposed to love each other. It looked like I'm loving you. And then, after those types of conversations, what do you mean I'm not? I mean, you could just not be. I mean, if you don't want to do this, no, I mean, cool. But if I would have heard this, I would have. A long time ago, all right? A long time ago. No cap in my rap. But y'all let me know how y'all feel about this down below. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, all that great stuff. And drop your crown down below if you made it to the end of this video. And until the next time I see y'all, we out of here.